Well, hello. Tell everybody who you are.
I'm Selena.
And I'm Andrea.
I'm Xavier.
Oh, I'm Brooklyn.
I'm Kylie.
And I'm Chloe.
I'm Elise DeArmond.
I'm Addison Stevens.
I'm Kamaria.
Michaela.
My name's Franco Lopez. I was forced in here.
I'm Haley.
I'm Viviana.
I'm Yumeda.
And I'm Jocelyn.
My name is Sienna. I'm 14 and yeah.
Dedicated to in alphabetical order, because I know y'all gonna play ranks on me, and you can't do that in alphabetical order. Sienna Bone, Angelina Cardenas, Viviana Castro, Elise DeArmond, Michaela Dennis, Camoria Ellis, Selena Espinoza, Xavier Garza, Leandro Guerrero, Yomeda Hernandez, Andrea Hill, Franco Lopez, Aubrey Martinez, Jocelyn Martinez, Michaela Martinez, K-Mo, aka Kylie Moreau, Lily Anna Perrin, Chloe Peters, Natalie R., Jacqueline Rivas, Haley Rosales, Addison Stevens, Cyrus Taylor, and Brooklyn Tillman, and the many other students who were part of our writing workshop but did not want to publish their work for the public. Each of you helped shape this book in more ways than I can describe here. Your voices brought it to life. You have all been such a large part of my world and teaching career. I am forever grateful and thankful to know each and every one of you. Many of you have been through hell and back, yet you are here in this book, showing what happens when honesty is put to the page. You are here illuminating the world with your light. Keep shining, all of you. I will always be in your corner. Now, let's sign some books.
Hey, so y'all are published.
Yeah.
What was it like today to go in there and see your name in print and see your work?
Yeah.
Why was it nerve-wracking?
Because it's a huge thing.
I feel special.
You feel special?
Yeah.
And you're a published writer now, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think about that?
I think it's very exciting because it's very rare for a 14-year-old to be a published author. Like, it's really cool.
You wanna go first? I don't know. It just hit me all at once. There's like a lot of emotions. I cried a little bit.
She
But
did.
it's great. Like, it's a great feeling to know
It really
that
is.
we're published because of our 7th grade reading teacher. So
I felt proud.
It was nerve-wracking.
Normally, I'm not a type to express my feelings, so writing, when I went into Chastain class, he kind of made it an easier way to express myself. So that was just me expressing my feelings in a certain type of way.
He was just so supportive about everything and like how we were feeling. He would like make sure we felt comforted and supported throughout like the whole like writing process, and like when he would help us.
He, before we started writing, he'd show us these slam poem videos to like motivate us and like get a feeling of writing for the day. But he was very supportive and very motivational, so that helped.
We can choose what we want and we have more space with it.
Helps me express how I feel a lot because I'm not very good with words.
I learned that you don't have to like follow any rules. Like ever since I don't have to have a prompt to write, and like ever since I learned that, like I can just do what I want and it can still be nice.
I learned that you could be who you want to be and you don't need somebody to tell you who to be to understand how you feel.
Are y'all going to continue to write?
Yes. A lot of our writings from the beginning, they're like so different from our last writing.
They got more mature.
Yeah, like
through each writing piece.
Are you going to continue to write?
I think she
Yeah.
is.
You are.
Definitely.
Writing, how has it changed your life?
it's changed my life for the good. Like, I used to like hide a lot of stuff and like bottle it up, But now I just write about it, and I know that I can go to Chastain and show him my writing. He won't judge me, or like, I don't know. He just won't judge me, and I know that it's like safe with him.
I used to bottle a lot of my emotions up and just keep it down. But when I'm writing, everything gets put on like the page, and whenever like you read it, you can literally feel my emotions at that moment. And writing is just so good. I love it.
So do you think it's good for a teacher to allow you to come up with your own ideas, or should they give you ideas?
I think yes, it's very important.
They should let us, because them telling us what to write about doesn't let people express themselves.
Or just letting us have writing time at all.
Yeah.
Because if you want to get to know your student, then you got to know how they think.
I like how Chastain did things, like how it's up to us. Like, we know we have to write, but it's our way of writing, how we feel comfortable writing. I appreciate that, because sometimes prompts are overwhelming. Like, we have to think, okay, well, we have to stay on track with this, but we're going with our own flow and in our own motion, because we picked what we wanted to write about, you know?
Writing's like a therapeutic kind of way for me to let out my feelings and just to like let stuff out whenever it's needed to be let out.
I express my emotions like over paper and over text, and then I tell them. So.
Well, what was it about Mr. Chastain's process that helped you the most?
The conferences that he has with us.
He was like the fun teacher in school, so like you could talk to him about anything and everything, and like he would always come up to you and like talk to you about your writing, and if it's not about your writing, it's like about your life basically.
So is there anything that you want to say to teachers?
We love Chastain.
Yeah.
We love Chastain. And any English teacher that has been or goes through or anything like that as students or relates to students in any type of way, we love you as well.
Okay.
Chastain's class is the best.
Okay.
Forever.